tropical rainforest biome. The tropical rainforest is one of Earth's wet biomes. It is green and full of life. More than 15 million kinds of plants and animals may live in its rivers, mountains, and valleys. Tropical rainforests lie by the equator. Half of them belong to Latin America. This includes the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest. More rainforests once existed on Earth, but loggers have cut many down for wood and farmland. The climate. All tropical rainforests have a warm climate. Temperatures stay around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius, throughout the year. Every day has 12 hours of daylight, but trees shade the ground from sunlight. Everything stays wet in the rainforest. The air is humid and dew collects on plants. Precipitation falls on most days. More than 100 inches, 254 centimeters of rain is possible in a year. The plants. The top of a rainforest is called the canopy. Trees stretch 100 feet, 30 meters, or more into the sky. Emergents reach even higher. The understory and forest floor are the middle and bottom layers. Shorter trees and plants have adapted to survive with less light and a lot of water. Some plants, like vines, climb trees to find sunlight. Ferns and orchids grow on tree trunks and branches to get sun. Many plants hold rainwater with their waxy leaves. Plants with above-ground roots collect wetness from the air. The animals. In rainforests, many animals use camouflage to blend in with trees and flowers. Both hunters and the hunted want to stay hidden. Poisonous animals are often bright red or yellow. Their colors warn others to stay away. Most rainforest animals live in the canopy. Its full trees provide food and shelter. Tree dwellers have strong legs to climb, jump, or hang from branches. Their loud voices call to one another. The Amazon rainforest.